Right, I've got the power supply back together and I've put in the basic cards. I've put in the CGA card, I've put in the SixPakPlus, which is the RAM expansion, and I've put in the floppy card, and I've put in XT-IDE card as well. So before I go too far, I just want to see what it does. Obviously it's not going to boot or anything because there's no floppy or hard drive. Actually, I believe I have found the floppy drive. Just bear with me. I believe this is the original floppy. So I'm thinking probably have to go through from the back, I guess. Yep, through that way. So I'm thinking putting that one in, and maybe 3.5 if I can find an adapter bracket, which I do have. Don't mind the mess. So I've got, it's not the right colour, but I do have one. Oh, actually, on my Amstrad, I've got one perfect. I could use that one. Yes, yes, yes. I might be able to do that one. So that's what I'm going to try. Anyway, I'm going to boot it first just to see if it's working again. Okay. Go around. Yeah. Okay, so 601, no floppy drive maybe, no hard drive, no boot media or something. Oh, okay. XT-IDE is working. Wasn't expecting that to work so easily. Okay. 1.1.5. Oh, I might have to update that. It's a bit old, isn't it? You do ROM boot? No, I don't have anything in ROM though. Oh, basic. Oh, sweet. Okay, it's working more than I was expecting. Didn't realise that. Okay. Is there a newer version of XT-IDE BIOS? I think there might be. Oh well, okay. I wasn't expecting that to work just quite as well. So, okay, now I guess I can whack that in next, and the floppy drive, and maybe not go too crazy. I'll just try the floppy drive and the compact flash first. So far so good. Okay, I figured out what was the problem with my Glitchworks XT-IDE card. I had the BIOS version setting wrong. So it's telling me. Well, I'm sorry about all the garage door. It's a very windy and rainy day today. What Newt said, it's telling me. So doing the memory check. 480, 490, 412, getting up there. 640. Then I get the 601 error. Okay, F1 to resume. And it picks up that I've got a compact flash stuck in there, 1 GB. So I can boot off that. And DOS 6.22. So this was actually from my Amstrad, this one. So I've got Gem and what else have I got on there? Windows, okay. Games, Game Boy stuff, okay. Fortran. Oh, EEPROM stuff, so I can burn my EEPROMs. So it's working. So I don't have any floppy drives yet. Working yet. What's happened? Change to. I must have Ancient Art of War on here. Let's see, Alicat, Boulder Dash, F19, Jet, because the Amstrad PC1640 has got an EGA color card. So Sopwith, Snipes is good. Prince of Persia, Pack Girl, my favorite. Strike, Spy Hunt, Space War, and War. Oh, Ancient Art of War and Ancient Art of War at Sea. I actually found some of my data discs and references to ex-girlfriends on. Anyway, that's from the 90s. So I think I just typed War. Yeah, War. Coolness. So this is running 8087 with a V20, NEC V20. I think it's Plus, isn't it? Plus? Yeah. So far so good. I just need to figure out what I'm going to do with the floppy drive. So the problem is getting the screws on this side. But let me reposition. So the problem is getting the screws down, screwed in that way. So I know there is instructions to. So actually, this bit here is actually for storing floppy disks. That's like a little section in there for storing your floppies. Anyway, so that's the problem I think I'm going to have, is just trying to install them. Yeah, obviously I don't really need to do it because I've got the compact flash on the back there that I can just pull out and update with files, but obviously it would be good to have something there. But getting there. At least it's still working. Oh man, I love this game. I really love this game. I think, anyway, that's it for now. I've got to start cooking dinner, but I might come back to this a bit later.